Hello student, welcome to our coding school channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a arrow game in this sprite. So to do this we have to select a sprite with the name arrow1. This is the arrow1. I have to select it. Now I have to first place on the top of the corner. Now coming to the coding part, we are given different blocks. So first of all I have to select event block. In this I have to select when space key is pressed. Now I have to select motion block and select change x by 10. Now I have to select switch costume. For switch costume I have to go into looks block and select switch costume middle of the two quotes. Now I have to go on costume block and we have to find out which direction is the first costume showing. The first costume is showing in the right direction. So moving to the code block, we have to select right arrow. Now I have also selected the arrow 1A. Now I have selected the change x by 10 because the x position of the first quadrant is moving toward the x plus sign. Now if I press the key of right button, it will move in the right direction. But if I press the left button, it cannot be moved. So I have to again right click on this and duplicate. Now in this I have to select left arrow and move to the costume option, and we can see the left option in the costume is arrow 1B. So for that I have to select in the switch costume to arrow 1B, and in the place of change x by 10 I have to write change x by minus 10. Now the left position is completed. If I press the button of left arrow, it will move in the left direction. Now coming towards the next code, we have to move in the down direction. So again duplicate it and press here. Now I have to select the down arrow and we have to change the costume. First we will look what the down arrow costume is. The name is arrow 1C. Coming towards the code, we have to select switch costume to arrow 1C. As we have told that the arrow 1C in the down direction. Now we have to remove this change x by minus 10 and place change size by and place change y by. So change y by, we have to move in the motion block and change y by. Now we have to write change y by minus 10 because we are moving in the fourth quadrant. Now if I press the down arrow key, it will move in the down direction. Again I have to copy this and paste it here. Now I have to do coding for upward direction. For that I have to select up arrow and I have to switch the costume. Again come to into the costume block and we can here see this, the right down is done, we have to select the up. For up, this is the name is arrow 1D. So for that we have to select arrow 1D and here change y by 10 because we are moving in the third quadrant. Now if I press upward button, it will move in up direction. If I put in down direction, now left, now right, we can move in anywhere. Now coming to the next part of code, we have to use the pen block. For that we have to add extension button and we have to select pen block. Now we have to select event. When green flag is clicked, we have to put the pen down. You have to put pen down, set pen color, set pen size, and at last erase all in the first. Now we have to select the color. If I select the red one and size up to 3. Now I click on green flag. If I move, our image is creating. For that if I do the full screen, I can show it here that our image is creating. So this is the programming of CBSE for arrow. Now I stop it and again press here. All the pen block figure will be erased because I have put it erase all. So this is the code for today's lesson. Thank you.